as these stories and images of devastation continue to make headlines, we want to talk about the people on the ground who are stepping in to help.
Hundreds of volunteers flooding in, and THV11's Maya Ellison shows us how people who call Arkansas home are doing what they can to help.
About a week ago, the world watched as fires ignited across the Los Angeles area. It's a sight that continues to shock people across the country and here in Arkansas. Since then, the Palisades and Eaton fires have displaced tens of thousands of people and destroyed more than 12,000 structures.
The wildfires have been absolutely devastating. We've been out in the areas that were affected, and there are literally blocks and blocks of homes. Nothing is left. Everything is gone.
Earlier this week, Kim Males traveled with the Southeast Missouri and Northeast Arkansas Red Cross team to help those impacted by the fire. He, along with hundreds of volunteers, walked the damaged areas and listened to the stories of those living through this tragedy.
I recall one lady, she is 80 years old, and when she fled, she is a second-generation Polish immigrant. And she had some decade-old photos that she grabbed off the wall, and that's all she could take with her.
These photos show glimpses of what volunteers are doing at a Red Cross shelter in the area, each helping hand working extensively to support over 400 displaced families.
We give them safety, refuge, we provide hot meals.
Through their efforts, they hope to bring a little comfort in the midst of trauma. But the work doesn't stop there.
In the warehouse, there are semi-truck loads of relief supplies that are coming in and being organized and loaded onto emergency response vehicles to go out and distribute it to people. So
other nonprofits such as Heal Corp are helping on the medical side. I spoke with Chief Medical Officer Dr. Rajiv Fernando. With studies showing lingering effects of smoke in the atmosphere, Dr. Fernando is keeping a close eye on people exposed to the dangerous elements.
Predominantly, you see a lot of headache, just cloudiness, some GI symptoms, nausea, vomiting, and that has to be watched very closely.
Through their humanitarian efforts, they're able to provide a sense of hope and love during times of despair.
We're here to help the community. We want to have these regular health clinics, free medication, free health care. We want to keep doing this and welcoming these people.
In Little Rock, Maya Ellison, THV11 News.
And organizations like the American Red Cross and Heal Corps are in need of additional volunteers. To learn how to help, you can visit THV11.com for additional information.